Ciao Tesla people. I wanted to show you how to report a bug from your Tesla. So some time ago I found a bug in the Tesla UI. So if you go to the climate control and you have the wipers icon here, so if you press the icon, it will pop up the icon, the UI for the wipers, okay? But if you go to, if you select the climate control and then you press the wipers, the UI doesn't come up. And so the wipers UI is actually behind this panel of the climate control. So this is a bug. What supposed to happen is this. So for example, if I selected the climate control and if you select something else, it will remove the climate control UI and update with the new app. In this case, the Spotify. Okay. So if I press the wipers here, it will show you. But if I press the climate control and then the wipers, it doesn't show. What is supposed to happen is this: go down and then the wipers, the UI is there. Okay. So I wanted to report this to Tesla. I did a video, I think 3 weeks ago. 2 or 3 weeks ago, but with the latest software updated, I have the 2024.38.2. It didn't change. Maybe in the upcoming software releases. But I wanted to give, I posted on X, I tag Tesla and other X accounts of Tesla, but I didn't get any response. And actually, I didn't get any response from other people, but I think this is pretty common to others. If you have this bug, please share this video with others so that Tesla is aware of it and will fix it. So let's try to report this bug. I saw some videos and they're not consistent in the way how is done the reporting, but I'll try and see if it works. I'm not sure. So let me put you down here. And so to report the bug, you have to press the small joystick here, wheel joystick, and then it's like you're searching for a song, but this time this will do report a bug, and we'll say climate control will cover the wipers, windshield wipers UI, okay? Report a bug, climate control UI covers the wipers UI. So I've done that. Hopefully they receive it. I'm not sure. And then another thing that I noticed in some video, that if you keep the icon here for the main menu, it will get a screenshot of what you have on the screen and send it to Tesla. So we'll try that too. So I'm going to push this guy and then push this guy and then keep it, push this and see if it works. I'm not sure if it worked. Doesn't look like it is working. It's supposed to show like a screenshot that you do like in your computer, but in reality it's not working. Anyway, I did this bug report. We'll see if it works. I'll let you know in the coming weeks. Hopefully they'll fix it soon. Please share this video with anyone and on your social or whatever. Please comment in the comment section if you have any ideas. And that's it. So actually I have my Tesla referral in the description. Tesla reduced the referral to $500 or 500 euros discount on your Tesla if you buy one. So please use my referral. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.